Early in the week, the China Development Bank announced a disbursement of a $255 million loan to Nigeria to fund the construction of a rail line between the two northern states of Kano and Kaduna. Now, that Wednesday announcement came ahead of the arrival of China's Foreign Affairs Minister, as we've just reported, to the West African oil and gas exporting state. Funding delays have slowed down the construction of this total $973 million Kaduna to Kano rail project. According to a statement posted on CDB's website, the loan will cover the construction costs for a 203-kilometer stretch of the standard gauge rail line. Let's bring in Tessim Ekende. He's joining us from Jos with more details on this particular project. So, Tessim, do we have any more details on the tenor, the duration of this loan and the interest rate that Nigeria will be paying on it?
Well, indeed, it's it's a project that a lot of Nigerians are happy about, and especially in that part of the country. The Parliament, talking about the House of Representatives, approved the loan at an interest rate of 2.7%, and this will span for about 15 years. And so that's to answer you, that was the approval by Parliament.
Insecurity, though, caused by sporadic bandit attacks and some insurgent groups, that's been a concern in northern Nigeria for quite a few years now. Walk us through how this has affected the construction of this rail line since 2021.
Yes, indeed, it has affected it. Hearing from Chinese construction giants who are handling the project. Just a few years ago, talking about 2023, we had some government officials visit them on site, and they said, or they complained that two of their workers had been kidnapped. And so that brought a lot of tension, a lot of phobia, even around the workers coming to work and on site. And so, yes, it has affected, the work output and, the psychology of people walking around that corridor.
And once this rail line is complete, who's going to be running it? Will the Nigerian Rail Corporation be entirely responsible for running and maintaining the track?
Yes, the Chinese construction giants will be partly involved in the technical operations of the project. Of course, we'll be having officials of the Nigerian Railway Corporation also being a part of it. And so, yes, there'll be some partnership by both the Chinese construction giants and government officials from the Nigerian Railway Corporation managing the project.